In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view code on Squarespace. Navigating the complexities of website development can seem daunting, especially if you're new to platforms like Squarespace. Whether you're aiming to inject custom scripts, embed third-party widgets, or simply understand the framework of your site, this guide will walk you through accessing the code on your Squarespace site step by step. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and directing yourself to the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Login will lead you to the next step, which is to continue with your Google account. This makes the process smoother if you've already linked your Google account to Squarespace. So you'll click Continue with Google and then choose the Google account associated with your Squarespace account. It's important to make sure you're selecting the account you used to set up or have been managing your Squarespace site with. Once logged in, you're going to head over to your specific website dashboard. You can access this by either navigating through your Squarespace account or directly clicking a link to your website if you have it handy. For this tutorial, we will assume you're navigating through your account dashboard. After accessing your dashboard, the next step involves a bit of searching. Squarespace has a handy search feature symbolized by a magnifying glass icon. Click on this icon and simply type in code. This action directs you to the various areas within Squarespace where you can interact with code. One of the key sections we're focusing on today is code injection. After you've searched for code, click on the code injection option. This brings you to a powerful area of your Squarespace site, the code injection editor. This is where you can input HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other scripts that add functionality or custom design elements to your website. Whether you're looking to add a custom analytics script, integrate with third-party services, or tweak your site's appearance, this is the place to do it. Before we dive into adding code, it's essential to mention that this feature is predominantly available for premium or upgraded Squarespace accounts. If you're running on a basic plan, you might consider upgrading to unlock this and many other advanced features. In the code injection area, you'll notice several fields where you can input code based on where you want it to load on your site. Whether it's in the header, footer, or specific pages, Squarespace offers you flexibility with where and how your code executes. While experimenting with code, keep in mind the importance of backing up your website and ensuring you're not violating Squarespace's terms of service. Custom code can greatly enhance your site, but it's also crucial to use this power responsibly and ensure compatibility with Squarespace's platform. Understanding the ins and outs of your Squarespace site's code might seem like a small part of managing your digital presence, but it opens up a myriad of possibilities for customization and optimization. Whether you're a blogger seeking to add unique features, a business owner aiming to streamline user experiences, or a developer tweaking designs, knowing how to access and manipulate your site's code is a game changer. Remember, every change you make in the code injection area can significantly impact your site's functionality and appearance, so always proceed with care and test changes thoroughly. That wraps up our guide on how to view and edit code on your Squarespace site. With this knowledge, the power to customize and enhance your website is literally at your fingertips. Thank you for following along, and happy coding.